Welcome to the Origin Doors and Windows manufacturing facility based in Buckinghamshire. Before we show you around, we wanted to talk about a few of our accreditations that we're hugely proud of. Firstly, we are ISO 9001 accredited. This is a standard that recognises our pursuit of excellence in product quality, from our supply chain, manufacturing and delivery processes. We also hold ISO 14001, which recognises our commitment to the environment, from where and how we source our components, and extends right through to where they end up. Throughout the process, we aim to be zero waste to landfill and have already put things in place to make this achievable. Last but not least, we are very proud to have achieved a triple badge accreditation with ISO 45001. ISO 45001 recognises our commitment to employee safety and reduction in workplace risks to create better, safer working conditions. Ultimately, we want to ensure that anyone within Origin, whether working or visiting, is kept safe. Now we'll move into a factory tour through our facilities so you can see our process and operations. We start in our doors factory, where orders that have come through are cut according to the customer's requirements using two very accurate saws. They work in parallel to maximise output. Here we have 3 CNCs, one for the track, one for the lock, and the third for the sash. This allows quick cycle times, working on all 3 machines in parallel. All preps for bespoke orders are loaded from our CNC console by downloading a unique program that's been created by the sales operations team that processes all orders. The program fully instructs the operator on which profile to place and in which orientation. Quality check is performed to ensure the doors are meeting the required standard. The next stage in the preparation process is the insertion of the E-gasket. We have various colours, and our operators match these up with the worksheet to ensure the codes match and the correct gaskets are used. The assembly process involves the installation of the door hinges and ensuring they align correctly, which is another aspect of our quality check. The last stage is the slave gearbox and handle preparation, where the keyed locking option and handle heights are checked to ensure they all meet building requirements and no error has been made by our systems when outputting the worksheets. Once the keeps and locks have been installed, the barrel and locks are tested before being screwed into place. This is of huge benefit as it means less time is spent on site trying to position them. The pre-delivery stage is where our final quality checks are made. The protection tape is removed. This is on the doors throughout the entire process from profile delivery through to cutting and assembly. We now use a double quality control method, with one extra inspection before finally releasing the order for delivery. For all orders that have met our quality checks, protective corners are put on the frames and are shrink-wrapped at each corner for safe storage and transport. We hope this fills you with complete confidence in our manufacturing process and quality of our products. We have this manufacturing set up for all our products across the site, so you can rest assured your doors and windows will be delivered on time, in full.